In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a bar chart using Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or just looking to visualize data creatively, Canva is a fantastic tool to help you achieve professional-looking results. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to Canva's website and logging into your account. And it's super simple if you already have one. And if not, it's quick to sign up. Once you're logged in, go ahead and create a new project, or as Canva calls it, a canvas. This is your blank slate where all the magic will happen. Choose the dimensions that suit your needs, whether it's for a social media post, a presentation, or any other format you're working with. Canva offers a wide range of templates to get you started. Once you have your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Apps. Canva's App Side panel is where you'll find a plethora of tools to enhance your designs. So explore a bit if you like, but for our purpose, you want to scroll down until you find Charts. This is where you'll be bringing data to life in a compelling way. After entering the Charts section, you'll be greeted with various chart types. Today, let's focus on creating a bar chart. Click on the bar chart thumbnail and it will automatically appear on your canvas ready for customization. Now it's time to input your data. You'll notice placeholders for entering your specific numbers and values, and simply click on these fields and input your own data. A great tip here is to have your data prepared beforehand so you can easily copy and paste. This approach ensures accuracy and saves you precious editing time. With your data properly set, it's time to customize the appearance of your chart. Click on any single bar on your graph, which will activate a floating toolbar above. You'll want to find the color tool, usually depicted by a color palette or circle. This handy little feature allows you to alter the color of your bars. Changing the color of your data is not just a stylistic choice. It can help emphasize specific aspects of your data, making it clearer and more engaging for your audience. Simply select the color you prefer from the available palette, or input a specific hex code if you have a particular shade in mind. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a visually appealing bar chart with customized data in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings to find what works best for your particular needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!